You have decided to install a solar energy system to reduce your electricity bill and save the planet at the same time. Your rooftop gets sunshine throughout the day, but you're not sure how to choose the location for your solar energy system that will maximize solar energy output through maximum sunlight exposure. Hi, I am Mohidul Saad, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. I will show you in next 2.5 minutes how to pick the best solar energy system location that will maximize solar energy output by yielding high irradiance.
The three things that matter most when opening a business are location, location, location. The same is true when you have decided to install a solar energy system for your home, because it has the potential to make or break your solar profitability. If you make the mistake of locating your solar energy system where the solar irradiance is low, then your solar energy system won't generate enough electricity and your solar investment won't be profitable. In layman's terms, solar irradiance can be described as a measure of produced solar power due to the radiance from the sun. The higher the solar irradiance for your system location, the better guarantee you have in making a profit. There are 4 simple things you will need to consider when choosing a solar energy system installation location, and I will explain why. The 4 considerations are as follows. Number 1, clear line of sight to the sun. Number 2, facing of the solar panels. Number 3, solar panel orientation. Number 4, shading. Why is having a clear line of sight to the sun important? Your solar energy system converts energy from the sun to usable electricity. The more energy the solar panels receive from the sun, the more it can convert to energy. So, choose a location for your solar energy system where the sun shines the brightest and longest while having a clear line of sight. Why is the facing of the solar panels important? If you are in the northern hemisphere, your solar panels should face true south. And on the other hand, if you are in the southern hemisphere, your solar panels should face true north. How do I figure out what direction is true north or south? Very simple. Stick a pole in the middle of your backyard and wait for the sun to move right above your head. Watch for the shadow of the pole, and the shadow should be facing true north or south depending on your hemisphere. If you are in the southern hemisphere, the pole shadow will point true north. And if you are in the northern hemisphere, the pole shadow should point true south. Simple, right? How is the orientation of the solar panels going to impact my solar investment profitability? Usually the solar panels are fixed and not adjusted throughout the year. If you are planning on installing a fixed orientation for your solar energy system, then it is very important for you to orient your solar panels for the maximum direct sunlight for the longest periods of time. Instead of explaining the intricacies of the orientation, how about you head over to www.solarinstallguru.com and enter your solar installation address. The website will calculate the orientation for you and you are done. Easy, right? The last thing you need to check before deciding on the solar energy system installation location is the shading. It is another very important factor in making or breaking your solar profitability. It is mainly a visual inspection to ensure that your solar panels have a direct line of sight to the sun without any interference. During sunlight hours, there should not be any object shadowing the solar panels. If there are trees or any other objects that might even slightly provide a shadow to the solar panels, that is a no-no and should be taken care of before installing the solar energy system. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to choose your solar energy system installation location. If I have missed something or did not cover something clearly enough, drop me a line and you'd be doing me a huge favor by doing so.
If you want to save money and the environment, please visit solarinstallguru.com and make an appointment for a free solar inspection today. You'll also find a lot of other solar related money saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to solarinstallguru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook of $40 value for just visiting the site. The ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost covers in depth how you can save thousands of dollars, reduce greenhouse gases, and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses covering topics such as solar savings, solar impact on the environment, various solar rebates, solar financing, and solar maintenance, to name a few. I would like you to join our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter at SolarInstGuru and like us on Facebook.com/SolarInstallGuru. Thank you.